and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your February 2019 Flavors of the Month kit. Your Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This way you can receive a sampling of all the new products coming in each and every month. Along with the 4 collections, you'll receive 4 recipe cards for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections, designed by the design team. It will include cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the layout. So you can simply start scrapbooking right away using the guides, or take off on your own and do your own creations. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up while you get ready to create with your new collections. Let's take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection from Cartabella is called Our House. This will be perfect for documenting anything about your home or the activities going on in your home, as well as many other subjects. So this first one is a picture of flowers. Looks like beautiful wild flowers. The back are white hearts on a wood grain. Really beautiful. And this is the heavy textured cardstock white paper that Cartabella is known for. This one is called Flower Pots. This next sheet has the large flowers, and again, they remind me of wildflowers, on a dark blue background. And the back are 3 tiny little small flowers in a cluster on a red background. This one is called Country Floral. Then we have more florals in a small print, where the last one was large. This one's bigger, on a light blue background. And the back is a dark navy blue with a light blue design that's a grid with a little bit of flower in it. Hopefully you can see that. And this one's called Wildflowers. So one more look at your pattern paper. You can see you could scrap all kinds of photos with this. Your cardstock is 2 sheets of denim, and your embellishments are the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you have 2 long border strips, this beautiful banner in the pink and the red, a couple of large words that you could create titles out of, and then all of these fun icons, from flowers to mushrooms to little home icons. So that is a look at Our House from Cartabella. Our next collection from Crepe Paper is called La La Love. And this is the month of February, so it's all about love and Valentine's Day this month. This first paper is called Be Mine, and it has the fun wonky hearts in the pink and red, and then touches of blue. The back is a red dot striped on pink. This next one are pink and red little flowers that kind of look like tulips with blue stems. This paper is called Bouquet. The back side is a pink dot, kind of like a snowfall, on blue. A little bit of that periwinkle blue that's so popular this year. This next paper is called Blush, and it's the small wonky hearts in the different colors on pink. The back is a large brushstroke striped from red to light pink. One more look at your pattern paper. Then your cardstock is 2 sheets of vanilla, and for your embellishment you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the ephemera pieces, so they will vary. These are the ones that I got, some little tags, lots of little words that remind you of Valentine's Day and your sweethearts, some hearts, and then a couple of pieces that have the glitter on them. Whoops. And then you'll receive 1/4 a pack of the thickers. So these are foam thickers, and they have the silver glitter on them. So just really sparkly and pretty and perfect to scrap about all the loves of your life. So that's a look at La La Love from Crepe Paper. Our next collection is from Echo Park, and it's Let's Party. So this is all about the birthdays. So this first paper has the balloons that say happy and hooray and birthday with the clouds. The back is a diagonal rainbow stripe. This paper is called Happy Birthday. Then we have the beautiful rosettes in the different colors and also on the confetti on the white background. The back is a two-toned yellow plaid. This paper is called Make-A-Wish. We have this paper that has all of the birthday sentiments, so hooray, 1 year older, celebrate, everything about birthdays. The back is more streamer confetti on a green. And this paper is called Hooray Words. So one more look at your pattern papers. The cardstock you receive is 2 sheets of white cardstock, and then you're going to receive some enamel dots and a third a pack of the ephemera. So your embellishments will vary, but here's a sampling of what you could get. These are perfect to scrapbook all your photos and then take your leftovers and make some birthday cards to send to your loved ones. So that is Echo Park, Let's Party. Our final collection is Kissing Booth from Simple Stories. So this is another Valentine's Day collection, but of course you could use it for anything with these beautiful florals in here. So our first paper is called Smitten, and it is all of these floral bouquets on top of a black and white broad stripe. The back is a pink and red kind of brocade design. We have this one called Hello Love, which is a red and white check. The back is X's and O's on black. Have this one called Crazy in Love, and it's a plaid in the pinks, the red, and the green with a black stripe as well. The back is a black polka dot on white. Always love a good polka dot. So one more look at the pattern papers. You'll also receive 2 sheets of black cardstock. Then your embellishments are all going to vary, but you're going to get one of the 4x6 sticker sheets. So that's the one I got. And a third a pack of the bits and pieces. So of course these will all vary, but here's a look at the ones that were in my kit. More of those beautiful florals, little sucker. Words, love the cute little bird. So that is Simple Stories Kissing Booth. So one more look at the 4 collections in your flavors of the month. You're going to be able to scrap all kinds of photos with this month's kits, from your home to your Valentine's to your birthday celebrations. So if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, we'd love to have you click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Also check out the store for all the other kits available and individual product that you can purchase and add on to your kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what